In order to view your LearningLink course as a student, log in to oup.instructure.com. If you have only one course, you will enter straight into that course. Otherwise, select your Oxford LearningLink course from your homepage or from the courses list. From the course homepage, click the Student View button in the upper right-hand corner. You will be redirected to the student view of your course. A banner will appear at the bottom of the screen. This banner will allow you to reset student, clear all history, allowing you to view the course as a brand new student, or leave student view and resume your LearningLink experience as the instructor. When using Student View, you can view assignments as a student would, view modules, see the gradebook, and many other things. While some functionality is limited via this preview, Student View is a great way to make sure all of the assignments you've created or made available are published and visible to students, and that the modules in your course are structured the way you would like.